Hey y'all, come with me to unbox this SHEIN haul. Y'all, I was so excited for this package, okay? It took a week to get here. And yeah, I was ready. Y'all know I'm never making opening boxes aesthetically pleasing. It's just not in my willpower. But your girl got it. Okay? I got it. Okay, as I keep telling y'all, I'm trying to get more organized, more productive. So I definitely got me a little planner. This is a non-dated planner. I feel like that's better for me because I don't always keep up with doing it every day. Alright, next y'all ordered this necklace and ring set. Now, it was supposed to be like a pinkish, purplish color. That's what I thought I was getting, but apparently I clicked white, and this is what it's giving. It still come up shiny on camera, but yeah, I wanted that pink. I wanted that pinky color. And these are just the matching earrings to go with it. Just some hearts. They're cute. Next, I ordered 2 bracelets. Here's one of them. I really like to accessorize now. I really want to make sure in 2024 I stay accessorizing. I really want to be in my girly, feminine era. I want to exude feminine energy, and I feel like small, cute, dainty pieces, helps with that. Now I grabbed 2 pair of little booties. Here's what those are looking like. Then I grabbed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 2-piece sets, y'all. So let's go try them on, okay? Alright, y'all, so here's my basic outfit of the day. Just so y'all know, those house shoes are also from SHEIN, as well as that top I'm wearing. And my jogging pants are just some regular pink Victoria's Secret jogging pants. So here's the first set. These pants and this top was super dope and super cute. I immediately loved it. Immediately. So right here, y'all, I almost got sad because I thought I could not fit this shoe, y'all. Like, I was sitting here like, oh my God, I cannot fit this shoe. But hold on now. Hold on. Give me a second real quick. While y'all the shoes fit, I was so happy at this point. Like, look at me, y'all. Now, let's get to the next outfit, okay? So now we coming in with this cute pink berry outfit, y'all. This is super cute. Again, of course, I messed the shirt up with my lip gloss, but yes, I just feel like this is a cute, comfy look. Now this next outfit, y'all, the pink, she did what she needed to do. She understood the assignment, whatever terminology you want to use to put this. She ate this down. I loved everything about it. Then here come this other one. Ate down. Ate it up. And ate it up again. Y'all, I loved this outfit. The material of the shirt is good, not thin. The material in the pants is more like a sweatpants type of material. This is so cute, y'all. Now, if I had to pick the best for last, it was definitely this biker short combo. Y'all, something about that pink on my skin, it just pops and look good, baby. Now, this was my first time ever owning a pair of biker shorts. But best believe I'm getting them in every color. I'm getting every last one of these sets that look like this because, yeah. So more to the haul is the whole haul 8.